Hi friends, this video shows how to disconnect PS5 from Wi-Fi network. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings from top right corner. Then go to network. Select network. Go to settings. Under settings, select setup internet connection. So here we can see the list of Wi-Fi connections. So here you can see Wi-Fi 2024. Right now I have connected this PS5 to Wi-Fi 2024. So I am going to disconnect. Select Wi-Fi 2024. Now we can see disconnect option. Select OK. Done. So now I have disconnected this PS5 from Wi-Fi 2024. Okay, so if you want to forget this network, just press options button on PS5 DualSense controller. So now we can see the options. Here select forget. Select OK. Done. So now I have first I selected disconnect, then I did forget. So this way we can disconnect and forget Wi-Fi network. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.